What's up YouTube, this is Vijay Ansara back with another video, and this is the R15 V3. We have been doing a lot of work on this. This is few hours old, and as you can see, I'm trying to fix the CNC machined number plate holder on this one. Okay, and let me show you. The first thing is we removed the existing one. There are 4 bolts here. If you turn it around, you have to remove these 4. You can see. Once you remove these 4, I had a bit of a challenge. I had a bit of a challenge in installing this, is because this was shorter, so I was not able to gauge it. So very first thing you need to do is open these 4 Allen key bolts, okay, and pull it out, so the length is increased. Once that is done, there are 2 ways to install. Okay, now as you can see in the R15 V3, you have this bracket where the existing tail is installed, but here you can see there are only 2 holes, okay, oblong ones. There are 2 ways. One, you get a bracket below this which includes a putty which would come all the way till here, okay, like this, and then you would have this part which would go. Now I don't have that, so what I'm gonna do is there is a very small margin of space, so that is what I'm planning to do. I put one side and then I put the other side inside. Let me show you one sec. So this is the margin I'm talking about. I don't know how you'd be able to see it correctly, but if you see from bottom here, it can go, but on this side it's out. So the thing is, I have to make sure this lines up, and that is the reason we pull the plastic a little bit and we install this. So, and yeah, along with this you will get something like this, and you will have okay, let me show you. You will get this bracket. Okay, in this bracket you will also, this comes as a part of the CNC number plate holder. There are 2 washers which you need to put. Okay, so I will show you how I'm doing it. I'm gonna ask my friend to hold the camera for me. Okay, can you hold the camera, Vijay? So very first thing, you have to put this one. Okay, so I'll remove this, put the washers, okay, and then you also need to remember, come this way, look at me. You also come closer. Keep everything in center so it's easy. You also need to make sure that you have these things installed in this way. So you remove this. This is your ECU. Nice music in the background. So here's how it goes.
Situation guy.
Exactly. So I think this is where the washer goes. Okay. And this, and this would go in turn here. I hope Vijay is focusing. Bring it closer, Vijay. So if you are not closer, people will not be able to see. You see this? This bracket is also there. Okay. This is also gone. And from bottom, the major challenge is to slide this. Come down. Come down, Vijay. The challenge is here. Rohit, can you press this metal piece? Just keep it handy. Okay. Okay. We have to play around with this guy by pushing it all the way in, or remove it. Pull it out. Okay, so you have to pull the plastic a little bit. This side it has come out. That's it guys. So I want to show you. Let me show you. So this is how I installed it. You see it here, okay, and it comes cut to cut, so we're gonna move around and make sure it fits in, aligns in. Okay, let me align this one. it's difficult to show you guys, to be quite honest, but yeah, I'm trying my best on this one. Is it aligning now, Vijay? Where is the hole? Can you move it? Oh, there you go. There you go, guys. So it's extremely difficult to actually show you, but yeah, there you go. That's one. And I'm gonna pull it this side. That's it. There you go. See this? Where did it go? There you go. So this is, sorry for the glares, this is how it comes in, and this is your number plate. This is your number plate holder. Let me focus it. This is how it would look from the back. We have a lot of guys working on this, man. Trust me. So thank you very much. Here you can see Rohit himself there. Let me focus on him. Yeah. Then we have Irfan Bhai, the trusted mechanic of Rohit. He also works in Binali. Friend for us. Yeah. He's his close friend rather. He has come to his house to do it, despite he has a garage. And this is our Vijay from Amba Bajaj, our dear friend as well. And that's me. So here we go. We have tightened it up. We will just level this up and we are good to go. So thank you very much. I hope you like this video, and wiring part we will check it out. We have not done the wiring yet, but yeah, this is good enough. Thank you very much, guys. Have a nice day. Bye bye. See you. Stay tuned also, because there is loads of things going on to this R15. So let's see. You can see the frame sliders as well. Rohit, can you move?
Check this
there
out.
You go. Oh yeah, the very important thing. Show me, Rohit. Key is off.
Hey, it's on.
Wait. Check this out, guys.
And then you have one on the other side.
Yeah. And by the way, this is that lovely. This is that R3 look. Okay. And the Big Bubble Racing visor, chrome color. So it's looking hot.
It's a little dirty. So
yeah, but that's okay. That's just your dirty hands. Your dirty hands. And Vijay, our dear friend, is also stuck. He was going around. We captured him and we told him, come here, we need to fix the bike. So he is here as well. So he's talking on the phone. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.